Hey everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. We're back with the rest of our Volkswagen case. We're gonna show you how good the size is on this 800 FL and why this will be the perfect machine for you. So let's put this part in here and just look at the workspace that you have. And this is if you stand it straight up. So you still have a really good workspace in this cabinet, 33 inches wide, 30 inches deep, 28 inches high, fits about 80% of parts across the board. This cabinet in particular is the start of our industrial lineup. It has all of the bells and whistles to it. So you have a wiper on this cabinet, you have two interior 2-foot LED light strips, you have a precision air regulator. This one is set up as a closed loop, so you can have a self-contained water source. You can run this either or. Really, it's dependent upon your needs, if you have water available, if you have a drain available, or what your preferences are. But we're gonna take a look at what glass bead does to this case and how the inside of this machine will look while you're blasting. So obviously we wanted to break this piece down in half. We just wanted to really showcase the size of this machine with the full case, but it's best to break things down as much as possible so that you can get all surface coverage on all areas and make sure that you're not getting abrasive and water flow through important areas like this. So we're gonna put this in here, we're gonna do some blasting and see what this does. So we're back again with half of our case. Obviously you can see the glass bead did a great job on this for this being magnesium. Now you have to remember magnesium is naturally a little bit duller of a metal, so it's gonna come out with a little bit duller of a finish than maybe an aluminum would or stainless steel would. So this looks absolutely fantastic compared to where it was before. You can see the VW lettering up here, the numbers, all of it is preserved, but also you can see in different areas, like these bolts right here, it was able to clean those really easily without damaging the threads. That's something you can't really get out of maybe, let's say, a dry process. But the wet process, since your water's cushioning that abrasive, you're not damaging. But you can see that this piece looks amazing compared to what it looked like before. Just needed a general clean and polish, which is what glass bead is fantastic for. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.